What's up, guys? You are watching Tech World One YouTube channel. Tecno has launched its new smartphone in the market, the Tecno Camon 30 Premier. This is a 5G phone, pretty beautiful. The smartphone is powered by a Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset. This is the most powerful chipset. There is a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. The smartphone comes with LTP OLED display with screen size is 6.77 inches. This is a big screen size. The Camon 30 Premier has a 450 megapixel cameras and that will be wide, ultra wide and periscope telephoto and punch hole camera at the front. And with octa-core processor makes this device ultra fast. The Camon 30 Premier has 512 GB storage. This is a huge amount of data for future use. The phone runs on Android 14 operating system. Smartphone lovers should use this phone if they want a best smartphone. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.